Hi, I'm Dario Spagnoli. I am the RHS Shows Biosecurity Specialist. I'm going to take you on a behind-the-scenes tour today here at the RHS Urban Show. And my job is to ensure that the plants that you see at our shows are not just beautiful, but also healthy and free from pests and diseases. Biosecurity isn't just a last-minute check that we do before the show doors open. We prepare for it months in advance. I run training sessions for our exhibitors, giving them the knowledge so they can go out there and buy nice, healthy plants for the show. So during the show build, I am here on site. I'm here checking to make sure exhibitors are meeting our plant health regulations, as well as plant health regulations which we are legally required to meet. We keep very detailed records of anything we find on the show site for reference, so that we can look at how our plant health has developed going into the future as well. So here on the show site, I will be joined by the Animal and Plant Health Agency inspectors. And they're here offering an extra pair of trained eyes to look for some of the most serious pests or diseases which could be found. If plants have these pests or diseases, the legal requirement is for those plants to be destroyed, so it's quite an important job they do. At RHS Shows, we tend to look at a lot of subtropical and tropical plant material. We're looking for signs of tiny whiteflies, Burmesia tobacci or tobacco whitefly in particular, and just having a look to see if we can see the eggs or signs of the nymphs. Well, that's the pest at its very young stage, and then we do a sample from the batch that's there. But this one looks absolutely fine, so nice and happy and healthy to go back in there, ready to go on display. My role also extends beyond exhibitors at shows. I also spend time engaging with visitors to the show. For example, here at the RHS Urban Show, I'll be giving a talk about biosecurity to our visitors. It's great working on biosecurity for RHS shows. It means that we have healthy plants for our displays, our gardens and our exhibits, and that our visitors buy healthy plants which they take home to their gardens and for their home. It's been a very busy time here at the RHS Urban Show, but I'm looking forward to the Chelsea Flowers Show. It's all getting ready, we're gearing up for it, and I hope to see you there.